Hi, today I will show you how you can buy an exact version of a player when there are multiple versions. We will use Dembele as an example. I am going to use FUT VPS, as it has 1 millisecond ping to the servers, and since Dembele is extinct, it will help us win the card if one pops up. You are free to use any VPS, or if you already have a better ping you can follow along without a VPS. Once you are in the web app, go to Enhancer Settings, and in Search Results, enable Auto Purchase Cheapest. And then go to High Risk, and set a value for Auto Refresh. I'm going to set 2 to 3. Save the configuration. Now we have set up the extension to Auto Purchase Cheapest card in the page, and it will automatically refresh the results, without us having to manually go back and search again. Now go to the link given in the pinned comment. I have given the link, which will directly take to 87 Team of the Week Dembele or 86 Dembele results. Based on which card you need to buy, open respective link. The link directly goes to the search result of the respective card, and because of the way we set up the extension, it will keep refreshing the results and try to buy the card which pops up. Now we just have to wait for someone to list the card. We were able to get 87 Team of the Week Dembele. Similarly, if you want 86 Dembele, open that link from the pinned comment. Let's wait for someone to list 86 Dembele. We were able to get 86 Dembele as well. Remember to go back to Enhancer Settings, and disable Auto Purchase Cheapest, and set Auto Refresh to 00. Now we have both 87 Team of the Week Dembele and 86 Dembele. Since I already have them, I will list these duplicates back, so someone else can use them.